If Telegram is showing a video error, freezing on playback, or not loading videos properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can solve the issue in just a couple of minutes. These steps are simple, safe, and work especially well if Telegram videos suddenly stopped playing after an update, a graphics change, or if the app has been acting buggy for a while. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fix guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear Telegram's cache. This is often the fastest fix because Telegram stores a lot of local files, and if that storage gets corrupted or too full, it can cause video playback problems. Open Telegram on your computer, then click the menu and go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Advanced. Once you open Advanced, find Manage Local Storage. This section controls the files Telegram saves on your device. Now click Clear All. This will remove the local cache data stored by Telegram, which can fix broken video loading, playback glitches, and other performance issues. After clearing the cache, give Telegram a moment to finish the cleanup. Next, if the problem is still happening, we're going to change the graphics backend. This is another very effective fix, especially if Telegram videos are stuttering, turning black, not rendering correctly, or showing strange visual errors. Go back into Settings, then open Advanced again. Look for the Performance section. Here you should see an option called Angle Graphics Backend. This setting controls how Telegram handles graphics on your computer. Change it to Direct3D11 if that option is available. If Direct3D11 doesn't help or isn't working on your device, you can try Disabled instead. After changing this setting, Telegram will need to restart for the change to take effect. This step is important because the app has to reload using the new graphics mode. Now for the final step, restart Telegram completely. A normal close is not always enough because Telegram may still be running in the background even after you close the window. To do this properly, close Telegram from the system tray or open Task Manager and end the Telegram process completely. Once it is fully shut down, wait a few seconds, then open Telegram again. Restarting the app after clearing cache and changing the graphics backend gives Telegram a fresh start and can fix video errors that were caused by temporary bugs or display issues. In most cases, these 3 steps will solve the problem. Clear the cache, adjust the graphics backend, and fully restart Telegram. If your videos are still not working after that, the issue may be related to your system graphics drivers or an app update. But for most users, this is the quickest and easiest fix. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me know to make more troubleshooting videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.